Hey there and welcome. Let me give you a clear picture of what exactly you will get when you join AlkemyEdtech's digital marketing course. First off, this is not one of those pre-recorded courses. You will be learning from industry experts in live sessions, doing hands-on assignments, and building real-world marketing projects. And the best part, every project you do is guided by industry experts. So by the end of this course, your projects will in turn work as your portfolio that you can confidently show in your interviews or send to freelance clients as your proof of work. Plus, you are not doing this alone. You get one-on-one mentorship, resume support, help with your LinkedIn profile optimization, and mock interviews to help you get interview ready before the actual interview. And you'll also get lifetime access to all the resources topic-wise in PDF format, recorded sessions, and even audio files so you can revise anytime you need. We don't just help you learn marketing, we actually prepare you to do it and earn from it.